Cold showers suck. I mean, that's the best way I can describe it. Our good friend Tony Robbins, he has outside of his house, he has a cold plunge. And every day before he starts his day, he gets up and jumps in that thing, okay? Now, I'm just thinking myself, I'm in Florida, okay? And during the winter time, when it's 60s and 70s, and the pool, say my pool's not heated at those times, if I jump in the pool, I'm freezing, okay? And so, but Tony goes even colder than that, and a cold shower is even colder than that. So, but anyhow, are there benefits to it? There do seem to be some benefits to, you talked about brown fat. Brown fat's kind of an interesting concept. Basically, people wonder why our metabolism is lower with age. When we're young, we have more brown fat. Now, brown fat is this fat that's brown because it's so high in mitochondria. And this mitochondria doesn't use energy very well. In fact, basically when it gets energy, it just turns it into heat, okay? So brown adipose tissue is highly thermogenic and it just produces heat. So your calories, when it goes to that mitochondria, it turns to heat, your temperature goes up, and you burn more fat. When you're younger, you have more brown fat. As we age, we get less brown fat. Part of the reason why we think that is because we're always inside, we're not exposed to the cold. In the winter, we have the heater on, and there's no reason to have this highly thermically active tissue that raises our temperature. In contrast, if you were exposed more to the cold, you'd increase more brown fat. One way to do that is, taking a cold shower or doing a cold plunge. So yes, it sucks, but there is evidence that it does increase brown fat, and that could be beneficial for overall calorie burn and overall metabolism.